From coral reefs turning ghostly white to fish fleeing their homes, the ocean is trying to tell us something, and it's time we listen. Hi, I'm Kaizo Chow, and in this video, I will be talking about how climate change affects the oceans in the world. The ocean covers more than 70% of Earth's surface and produces over half the oxygen we breathe. It's basically our planet's life support system. But according to the NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, the ocean has absorbed about 90% of the excess heat trapped by greenhouse gases. That's like the ocean taking over the team, but it can't keep doing that forever. Here's the deal. When we burn coal, oil, and gas, we release carbon dioxide, or CO2, into the atmosphere. That gas traps heat, kind of like wrapping the earth in a thick blanket. And because water absorbs heat really well, most of that extra warmth ends up in the ocean. According to NASA, global ocean temperatures have risen about 1.5 degrees Fahrenheit since the 1800s. Coral reefs are like underwater cities. They support a quarter of all marine life. But when the oceans get too warm, corals get stressed and expel the algae that feed them. This is what scientists call coral bleaching. According to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, or the IPCC, more than half of the world's coral reefs have already been damaged or destroyed by rising temperatures and pollution. And warming isn't the only problem. There's also something called ocean acidification. When carbon dioxide mixes with seawater, it forms a weak acid. Over time, this lowers the ocean's pH, meaning it becomes more acidic. The NOAA reports that the ocean is now about 30% more acidic than it was before the Industrial Revolution. That makes it harder for animals like clams, oysters, and coral to build their shells. National Geographic adds that acidification threatens the entire food web, from planktons at the base all the way up to fish, seabirds, and humans who depend on them. As the planet warms, ice sheets in Greenland and Antarctica melt faster, adding more water to the ocean. Warm water also expands, which rises sea levels even more. NASA's Sea Level Change Team says global sea level has already risen about 8 inches since the 1900s, and it's rising faster each year. That means stronger flooding, disappearing coastlines, and major impacts on cities like Miami, Venice, and Jakarta. Here's the good news. It's not too late to act. The EPA says protecting marine ecosystems and reducing greenhouse gas emissions can help communities adapt to ocean changes. The Ocean Panel also reports that ocean-based solutions like renewable energy, carbon capture in mangroves, and restoring coastal habitats could cut up to 35% of the global emissions gaps. So every choice counts, from reducing plastic waste to supporting clean energy. The ocean connects us all. When the ocean thrives, we thrive.